guys, in this video I'm going to teach about Fibonacci retracement or entry of the trades. For example, uh, let's put Fibonacci retracement. Before that, I can tell you we have some other Fibonacci's like extension and projection and Fibonacci time, Fibonacci fan, and a lot of Fibonacci. But in this section, we have to focus on just retracement. So let's put Fibonacci retracement on our chart. This is a Fibonacci retracement. But first, I should tell you what the levels of Fibonacci retracement. Let's see. Fibonacci retracement have from 0 to 100. Okay, guys. For example, first level is 23.6%. The second is 38.2%. Next one is 50%. The gold number that is that we really use in our trades, rejections, retracements, and most of the time the price will change from this level and this level. That's 61.8% and 78.6%. These two levels are a very good area to trade, entry of the trades. So guys, remember that. Let's change the numbers to percent. Yeah, here we can see the percent levels. This is 78.6%, 61.8%, 50%, 38.2%, and 23.6%. So these are our Fibonacci retracement levels, but we also have extension levels that is more than 100%. But in the next video I will talk about this other Fibonacci that called Fibonacci extensions. So in this video I just focus on retracements. So to identify the retracements, we have to find some highs and lows in our chart, no matter what chart is that. For example, this is a Euro USD in daily time frame, so we can go to find some highs and lows or some resistance or supports. For example, this trend is down, bearish, so for a bearish trend we have to find a high at first and do it from high to low. Okay guys, from high to low. But in the bullish trend, from for example here, Fibonacci withdrew from low to high. Just remember that. For a bullish trend, we withdrew the Fibonacci retracement from low to high. For example, this is a uptrend because the high here, previous highs was below than the next high. For example, this is next high. This was the previous highs. So this high and this low are a little above than the previous low. For example, this is our last low. This is our new low. So we can also draw trend line because our high is a break out. So we go to draw a trend line. Okay guys, but here, such as we drew that that Fibonacci retracement from this level, that is all low, to this high. So the best area to trade is waiting for these numbers. As I said you before, these numbers as gold numbers in Fibonacci. So these are 61.8% and 70.86%. Just remind these two levels are very good area. Absolutely, if the price is near zones, for example, support zone or resistance. For example, here we have support zone 2, and yeah, the price is rejection action changing from this 1 2 3 supports here. Here that the number of the level of the Fibonacci is 61.8. So we can wait a little for a candlestick that here we shows us candlestick are telling us that price may be changed to up. For example, here we had something like bullish candlestick, bullish engulfing. So we can hope the price will change from this level 61.8% the Fibonacci. Maybe we have open a position here, make our stop loss on the next level. For example, I'm going to show you about entry levels, a stop levels, and target levels. For example, here our entry price, because price is near 65.8 and also near this zone, support zone, and especially where price is showing us bullish candlestick. But before we go to enter or open our position, we have to check our residual bar, also place our stop loss and take profits. So let's see. As I said, we can use our levels of Fibonacci retracement for our stop losses and for also for our take profits. This is why I'm going to tell you we have to set our stop loss next level, next Fibonacci levels. For example, here we enter in 61.8 and all the stop loss. Sorry guys, I was saying we can also set our stop loss in the Fibonacci levels. For example, here is our entry place, and here is our stop loss below the next level. For example, here 78.6% next level. So here is our stop loss and our take profit, our first target, first resistance, our first zones. And yeah, we can use a Fibonacci extension that I will teach you in the next video. um, so from high to low, so the Fibonacci extension we can also, this is our next level. So yeah, we can choose this as is our first take profit, and this is our second take profit. But at first take profit we need to be patient, and if our first first take profit is the touches, and then we go to risk free, or also we can maybe uh, close half or position sizes or something like that. It depends on your trading style. Some traders do this method, some traders just put close all of their position in first take profit, or someone wait for the second take profit. It depends on your trading styles. So yeah, let's go to identify other Fibonacci retracements. For example, here is some highs and some lows, because here we clearly we can see this is downtrend with its trend line. These are highs. So when we identify something like this, now we can draw the Fibonacci from high to low only for downtrends. Okay guys, from high to low only for downtrends, and from low to high only for bullish trends. So here from high to low, so you can see price is rejection from this level 78.6%, and also this level is near of this zone. This is our resistance zone. So we can compare or combining these two methods of Fibonacci levels and support and resistance zones. With these strategies, these things, we can use also indicators to get some more confirmations for our entry levels. Also, we can use candlestick, as you can see here, bearish candlestick also with highs. So these highs shows us there is some volatility from some moves that the price is rejecting. So these shadows shows us this price may be changed from this level to down. So yeah, in the future this is happen. So here should be our entry. As I said you the next with previous Fibonacci, as I put here, or stop loss could be the next level. For example, here is our 61.8 is our entry level, but we can, our stop loss is our next level 78.6%. Some pimps below that is this level. Okay, so here is saying with that, because that our entry level is here, so we go over than 100% for our stop loss. It depends on our time frame, how much pips we can um, use for a stop loss. For example, here it depends on time frame, or daily, maybe 20 to 30 pips above than this level. We choose our stop losses, and or take profit, or first take profit is here. And for next take profit, we can also use Fibonacci extensions, combining this Fibonacci extension with some levels. For example, here is our next level or next support zone, and yeah, we can use this for next take profits. But you can also combine this level with drawing with a Fibonacci extension. For Fibonacci extension, we use also Fibonacci retracement, because this Fibonacci retracement shows us all the numbers over 100%. So the Fibonacci extension numbers are all above than 100%. For example, 161%, 127%, 261%. These are Fibonacci extensions. So yeah, this level, for example, maybe near 127.2%. That is for our first level or first Fibonacci extension level. So here this is not showing us, but we can also add this to Fibonacci extension because this level is our first extension level. So these are the Fibonacci retracement between 0 to 100. This is 1.65. That means 161.8%. This is a Fibonacci extension. So, but Fibonacci extension I will teach in another video. Uh, uh, I hope you understand this Fibonacci retracement and something about how to enter the trade, how to manage our trades, how to set our stop loss and take profits, also how to uh, use the Fibonacci for our take profits. And when you use Fibonacci, you can easily find the levels and zones. So hope you enjoy my video. Please subscribe and like my video, and also subscribe my channel. Comment below your thoughts if you think this is very helpful and useful for yourself. Please also share our channel, share this video to others. Thanks a lot. Goodbye.